say the Southeast governors on the run, as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu win another 8 billion naira. No be small thing. Hello, my people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Today, na the first time they come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. I'm here today to bring you the ogbonge news of waiting they go on everywhere now. They run kata kata. The enemies of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are running haters scatter because they know say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be soon out. As I dey talk now, Nyash don dey dupe some people pla. Yeah, before we jump into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today, if you know say you never subscribe or follow this channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Yeah, may you quickly go do so because we are here today bring you ogbonge news as e dey hot. No be small thing. Una remember our able lawyer wey be Aloye Jimako. They say the man don go cut another one give Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for court o. But wetin they ask, all this money wey na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey win, which one they don pay? Nigeria government are not going to pay this wahala wey they put for their head. 8 billion naira again. No be small thing, o. As we dey talk now, Southeast governors, their nyash don dey do them pla. You know their way now. No be small thing. However, we would like may you watch this video and hear everything that happened in the court from the mouth of the lawyer direct. And may you hear and also watch the video from beginning to end so that I will come back and talk more regarding the video. So stay tuned and watch the video.
That scored this landmark victory at the Enugu State High Court today on behalf of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The subject of this lawsuit is simply the proscription of IPOB in 2017. Firstly, by the Southeast governors who fired the first salvo on 14 September 2017, followed by the executive decision of the federal government to proscribe IPOB and declare it a terrorist organization. We didn't come to court to contest the judicial proscription. It's a different matter altogether. But the executive decision or executive action taken before the judicial decision. Why? Because such actions are prohibited expressly under Section 42 of the Nigerian Constitution. It's a fundamental right of every Nigerian citizen not to be discriminated against in the exercise of government policies, actions, and decisions. It's clear under Section 42 of the Constitution. A lot of Nigerians are not aware of this, so they let it fly each time the government steps on them through its executive actions or decisions. But we are vigilant to that. So we noted that the action that the Southeast governors took, proscribing IPOB, was an executive action. It was an executive decision, followed 3 days later by the federal government that raised a memo through the Attorney General of the Federation to the President approving the proscription of IPOB and declaration of the group as a terrorist group. All of this together combined constitute the prohibited executive actions or decisions they sought that Section 42 of the Constitution prohibited. It's a fundamental right, meaning you cannot violate it and get away with it. It's a right that is inherent in every Nigerian, in all of us. So our case in chief is that there are other ethnic-tinged organizations across Nigeria that pursue one group interest or the other, political, mostly, or commercial. I'm not here to name names. Nigerians know that there is a proliferation of ethnic-tinged organizations. Some of them are even very evidently violent. But the federal government never took any step at all to either proscribe any one of them or to declare any one of them a terrorist group. But it took this proactive step, supported by Southeast governors, in targeting IPOB particularly, because IPOB caters to the interests of the Igbo man and their cousins from the south side of Nigeria. There is no way of denying this. You can make all these allegations in the media and in beer parlors and everywhere, but if you don't take them to court to be adjudicated, they will remain mere allegations. So we decided that the next best thing to do that instead of debating this in the public, let us test the authenticity or the wrongness or rightness of these actions taken against IPOB in court. And we did, and we prevailed today, to the glory of God.
So what
Thank you.
Said the take home from this judgment, one is the fact that 6 years after, you want to take that instead.
Yes.
To test the potential.
Well, okay, it's to the glory of Nigerian law that pursuing fundamental rights doesn't have or does not admit of statute of limitations. You can pursue your fundamental rights anytime that you wake up to those rights. So you cannot be defeated by a fluxion of time. So there is time for everything. Even in the Bible, it is said that there is time for everything. Because of the escalation of the persecution that is being tagged as prosecution of IPOB members, mostly Igbo youths and some from the South, by the departed government, the previous government, and because maybe the present government has not come to terms with that, we decided that every right broken must be pursued in court. Every wrong done must be pursued in court.
Finally, out of the 7 days, 1 to 3 were granted, they even went to the court. So what would you say you wanted out to for the court for it to mediate the appeal at the Supreme Court, which this court said it doesn't have jurisdiction?
Yes, of course, we are lawyers, so we are going to go for the whole hog. So we asked for a whole lot of reliefs, including stopping the prosecution of Nnamdi Kanu, and it's grantable, but the court declared that it doesn't have jurisdiction to do so. But it proceeded to graciously grant the reliefs that in its wisdom, it felt it has jurisdiction to do so. Number one, it declared as unconstitutional and as a violation of the fundamental rights of Nnamdi Kanu that action of proscription was taking, proscription and declaration of IPOB as a terrorist group violated Section 42 of the Constitution. That's a big win. And then secondly, the judge upheld our argument that self-determination is not a crime and therefore cannot grant.
Yeah, my wonderful people, you don't hear all the whole grammar we will speak for this particular video where you watch now. That country where they call Nigeria, they know they hear grammar. If for better we say this word, if we they talking like this, we go use broken or kai or line like this it be, because if you use grammar, they don't understand them. Nigeria don't understand grammar. I know why they talk you know, say Nnamdi Kanu don't win for Umuahia, I don't win for Enugu now, I don't win many things. You understand? Even Nigeria government say no go even fee pay for the damage where they don't cause Nnamdi Kanu and Biafra at large. They no fee pay the damage, and that is why they fight like a wounded lion, so that waiting Biafra people they talk will not be heard anywhere. Because they know say if finally say they heard the voice of Biafra all over the world, as they not be say they know they hear, but they form deaf ear. End of the day, say they go pay big to Biafra people. You understand? That's why Nigeria they fight with all the whole people where they suppress Biafra, so that Biafra will not be right. But God will put them for shame. Biafra must come. Nnamdi Kanu will be released heading. Anybody where they work against Nnamdi Kanu may remain for that place. That person in death go be like surprise. In go there for the other world. They ask whether he don't die. It will happen very soon. The things of this world is that anything where you like, may you cover. May you cover. Things say now only you do am. One day go come outside. What of this guy will buy this gear now? Cover am. But still yes, he come outside. Something must happen, and people they will be say then they see things where they don't cover safe. You understand? So regarding this Nnamdi Kanu case, the whole people where pass information where they take capture Nnamdi Kanu, we put hands, where they work tireless that to make sure say Nnamdi Kanu remain that place, or where they try do make people hate Nnamdi Kanu, God go put them for shame. You go see him. Nnamdi Kanu will continue winning, and he will put all enemy to shame, because it's not easy. You pay the first sacrifice, second sacrifice, third sacrifice, leave your family, and somewhere somebody think say you go fit buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu just like that, or to shut him up. It cannot happen. Who God don't choose, God don't choose him. That is the only thing. So Biafra must be restored. That is our prayer. Guys, please share this video and make sure say you dey follow this page. As it dey hot, na so we dey bring and they come.